guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Minotaur watching your tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video we are going to install Python in Windows 10. So let's get started. So first thing, we have to visit Python main official site, Python download. Okay, just write this and then we will directly land on Python main official site where we are going to see the latest version for Windows. Okay, so if you see here, we have the Python latest version is 3.1 or 12.4. Okay, so we are going to click on this. This is the latest version. If you want to go little pre-release, if it is so, pre-release means it's not released, it's still in development phase, so it's kind of beta version of Python. So I will go with this, actually 3.12.4. so let's click on this and then it will download here. Okay, so it will hardly take a minute. So till that, if you subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. So Python is now, this installer is now downloaded in our system. Let's click on this open. Okay, so once let's wait here. So now we are going to install this Python in our system. So don't click on install this one, better click so first thing we have to do is check this mark, add python.exe to path, so it will directly add in path, so no need to set the environment variable, and click choose installation. Okay, so now you can select whatever you want to install. So I will click for install for all user everything. So now we can go with this and let's click on next and add this install Python 3.12 for all users. So click on this and now click on install. Okay, admin privilege. So finally our Python installation and setup is successfully done in our system. So let's close this and check whether Python is installed in our system or not. So I will directly write cmd. Okay, and let's open the command prompt and check the Python whether it's installed in our system or not. So I will write Python and you can see that Python 3.12.4 is installed in our system, and you can do anything like 2 plus 2. Okay, so it will print the 4, whatever it is, you can run the Python script. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found any issue, please let me in comment section. I will try to help you out, and please share with your friends and click on bell icon for more updates so that you can get the video early possible. And thanks for watching this video, guys. We'll meet in next video. Till that, bye bye.